Hi, it's Toronto's real estate team at RE/MAX, and here is our June 2019 Toronto real estate market report. Sales numbers were up again over June 2018, while the average appreciation rate slowed to plus 3.0%. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. In June, sales were up 10.4% compared to last year, with 8,860 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a lower 32% share of the market, with 2,832 units being sold, which is very slightly down from 2018. The June average sale price for all GTA homes came in at $832,703. up just 3% from 1 year ago. This average is now up 5.1% from the average market high back in June 2017 for the first time this year. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how slow or fast the market has been moving. The inventory average for the month of June compared to historical numbers was lower by 5.7% compared to last year at this time. This is actually a good sign since we're not being overwhelmed with high inventory levels and is probably keeping us from seeing a slump in prices in some GTA locations. The sales to listings or percent chance of selling ratio is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In June, that ratio finished at 45.1%, about 7% above last year, but almost 5% below May of this year, indicating a slower market as we move into the summer months. The days on market average for GTA/Toronto homes was 21 days, 2 days slower than May. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb District, the average sale price for June was $706,762. That average moved up 5.6% from the same time last year. With 359 condo sales in the month, the numbers were down 19% compared to 2018 and back to 2014 levels. There were 631 active listings on the market in June. 8.4% above last year, but still significantly lower than prior to 2018. The ratio of sales to listings dropped back to 56.9%, which keeps CO1 in busy seller's market territory. The average days on market came in at 17, 1 day slower than last month. Now east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb District, the average sale price for June was $694,910. That number was up 3.5% compared to 2018. And with 164 condo sales in the month, the numbers were down slightly by 2.4% from last year. There were 254 active listings on the market in June, up 20.4% from 2018. The ratio of sales to listings was 64.6% for the month. That number puts CO8 into busy seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 16, 1 day slower than last month. Here's a snapshot summary of the significant real estate milestones for Toronto in June 2019. Is some confidence returning to the market? We saw June sales up 10.4% compared to last year at 8,860. And the ratio of sales to listings dropped slightly to 45.1% in June. Also, the average sale price came in at $832,703, up a positive 3% compared to last year. Note that this overall market average is now 5.1% higher than the highest ever average 2 years ago in June 2017. The GTA real estate market overall averaged the days on market at 21. Detached home sales in June 2019 with a purchase price over $2 million were up 11% at 225 houses, while condo apartment sales over $2 million were down 54% at 13 suites. And the condo share of the market dropped slightly to 32% during the month. Downtown condo active listing numbers were up 8.4% in CO1 and increased in CO8 by 20.4% from last year at this time. And June condo sales were down 18.8% in CO1 and lower by 2.4% in CO8 compared to 2018. The downtown condo days on market average was 16 to 17 days, 4 to 5 days faster than the overall market. Also, the ratio of sales to listings for condos downtown was closely matched in CO1 at 56.9% and in CO8 at 64.6%, but still much higher than in the overall market. Building on this higher demand due to better affordability, condo appreciation in the two main downtown markets averaged 3.5 to 5.6% year over year, slower than at any time in 2018. Markets in York Region and other 905 neighborhoods have suffered the most from the market slowdown. However, sales of houses have now started to increase once again compared to condo suites. Now that we're in the slower summer market, expect sales to slow slightly and inventory to pick up more as we progress through August and into September. Buyers should watch for more pricing opportunities to get the condo or house of their dreams. This month, we're looking at the Toronto Real Estate Board average resale home price chart. For the first 4 months of this year, year-over-year appreciation numbers were flat. In June, we showed the second highest appreciation number we've seen all year, 3.0%. Now, compared to years prior to 2018, that's a pretty low number, but we think that some confidence is returning to the market. Detached and semi-detached home sales increased by mostly double-digit numbers in both the 416 and 905 areas, while condo sales dropped by 5.6% in Toronto and increased just slightly, 2.7%, in the 905. Unless something drastic happens with our economy, interest rates, or mortgage qualification rules, we think this is the beginning of a slow turning point for our market. So what's a terrific way to make your first baby step into Toronto's real estate market and find out where those more affordable choices are? The best first step is to go on a market experience tour of condo or house neighborhoods with one of our team members. Leave your checkbook at home. What a tour is not intended to do is show you homes with the intention that you'd immediately buy one. What it is intended to do is give you an opportunity to get a clearer idea of what's available on the market in your favorite parts of the city and in your price range, without worrying about being pressured into having to make an immediate buying decision. Once you've had your tour, we want you to go back home and think about what you saw. You'll then be better able to set up a good home buying plan and make smart, educated decisions about where and when you want to be in your new home. You can sign up for your condo tour at marketexperiencetour.com and a tour of houses at dailytorontohometours.com. Remember to check back here in early August for our July 2019 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.